Alright, players. Beto got his fucking 5 kill streak, so he got the care packages right now for his LS engine all the way over there in the back. We're gonna see what kind of goodies he got for this shit.
Gasket.
Nice. Pickup tube. Nice.
Pickup tube.
Made of 24 karat gold to match this. Oil pan, boys.
Brand spanking new.
Let's go. We're pretty familiar with these. My car has had it dropped like 3 times already. So, pretty sick.
Nice.
Shit looks clean. See how long it stays clean. Nice. So we got the oil pan. I guess it's kind of like the low profile one for the clearance on all these classic cars. This is the old one, the truck one. Shit's all muggy. Well, that shit's deep. This is like early Christmas. In March.
Damn, boy.
Damn. Oh, you got the coated ones? Savage ass fool. This was a baller. Damn. The thumbnail? Got the gaskets. Speed engineering headers. See if flames come out of them.
I'll shoot flames eventually out of these.
Sick as fuck. Damn, you're a savage.
Oh, I can't slice a sticker.
The best part.
This is going right here. Like,
Fuck no. Another box in a box. Classic.
like it's all empty.
Those are the springs, probably. Let me see the box. The other side. All right, here, look. Crusty as hell. You're gonna get tetanus with that shit. Damn, boy!
Oh, it's just all lubed up already.
Still gotta put more though when you install it, but actually that's what we need, fool.
I know, we should have got some. Does AutoZone have it?
I don't know. I don't know if AutoZone have it.
I think I got some last time at AutoZone. When I
Cam lube?
Yeah, when I lubed up this
Oh,
one.
the cam?
Car. Just got the heads off. Yes, sir. This shit looks disgusting. Camshaft, install /
How to dye your hair
how to dye
tutorial.
your hair tutorial.
All right, so this numbnuts freaking
Let me see. Yeah.
here. We're gonna put it on top dead center. So that means this first piston is gonna be flat on the block. So putting the bolt back in, and we're about to turn this shit.
Also, we don't really know what we're doing right now,
Yeah.
so
Don't follow this
take
video
advice from
for
us.
I don't know what I'm saying either, but you're loosening it, buddy.
I know that's what I'm moving it.
There, almost.
Completely
There.
flat.
Yeah. Let's see. This is our. There, motherfucker. Don't blow that crust on my face. All right, so now it's top dead center. This is their first bank.
Well, also you gotta do it. You gotta line this up too, no? Oh no, they're already lined up.
Yeah.
The 2 dots.
Yeah, because that's what top dead center is.
Yeah, I knew that.
Where's the other dot?
On the bottom, right there.
Oh,
You're
where?
not even recording.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Yeah, I am. All right, you see this stupid little dot right here? And this right here? Right?
Yeah.
Did you pass it a little bit? Because it's not that aligned.
Fucking go backwards.
No, you got to go forward still. Turn it like a tiny bit. Oh, wow.
Can I go back or no? Do you think
Should
I'll
be
go
able
back?
to, yeah. There.
Oh yeah, there. That's perfect.
See?
Yep.
Yep, perfect.
There you go.
Flat. Dots lined up. Now,
Now you
what's
gotta take
next,
all this
Lou?
shit
Because you're the
apart.
pro here.
Gotta take this off and then take the chain off.
Sir, tell us what you're doing here.
I don't know what these bolts are called, but take off these 3 bolts.
Damn, you stripped it. Nice and good, boy. Sponsored by Martine again.
All our videos are sponsored by Martine.
I really think we're gonna get sponsored by Michelob Ultra one day with that food. Every time we're making a video, every video he has one.
Then from here, you just take this off.
Nice.
Nice. And then
Oh, the fuck? There's a
Take off
cam,
the next
guys.
bolt.
You can see it. Can you? Oh yeah, you see it
Yeah.
in there.
then you take off these 4 bolts. What you guys want to do is get,
Wait, start over.
All right, so what you guys want to do is get 2 random bolts you guys got laying around somewhere that'll fit inside the cam, just so you're able to spin it around. Spin it around a couple times so all the lifters go up. Once you give it a couple twists, you get some 2 rusty rods. They have to be rusty or else it won't work. Just slide them in right here. And so what these are gonna do is just hold the lifters in place so they won't fall down inside of the motor. And from here, just slowly start twisting and pulling. Getting
All right, second.
breaking
angle,
the inside, that's why. Ooh, that's bad.
just dirt.
Yeah, this shit's supposed to be completely smooth. This shit danks.
The creepy
What?
steps. My feet are like,
Damn, dude, you're like,
that was a neck.
you literally did that.
Oh,
How?
shit.
The louder.
Come on, backyard yonkers. Oh,
So fuck.
lightsaber, lightsaber. Taste it. That's gonna be, that's gonna be the thumbnail. All right, guys, cam is out.
For sale, who wants it?
Backyard yonkers.
It'll be signed by us.
Let's see what it looks like inside now. Pretty intense in there.
Don't be wasting my fucking gloves. Where the white women at?
Wasting my fucking gloves. I paid for those motherfuckers, right?
Like we said earlier, sponsored by Beto.
Said that like 10 times throughout the whole video. Damn. This shit
See?
beefy. This shit busting.
It's the same shit as the other one. MC, what's this? It's all that crust. All that crummy.
Loop.
Let me see the front of it. Let me see it more cinematic. That's the front of it, huh?
Yeah.
Let me see the other side. It's upside down, you buffoon. Open up this. We're using this
Ooh,
Trafa
it's a
shit.
It's like a telescope.
wasn't somebody coming for this?
MC, look.
Which out of 3 cameras actually work?
All right, Slim Shady, what's the next step?
Lube up the shaft. What?
MC?
Just across the whole tub. Every lobe.
Dropping dimes on this bitch. There.
Too.
Show them how it's done, Beto. Some greaser dots action.
I know. Been hanging out with that food too much.
This is like chafa. Here, let me put more.
Here, give me my hands.
No, let me put on these again. This one's like almost got nothing. There, should be good enough.
Josh is trying to get some action shots right now.
Some rated R shots.
We're gonna get banned from YouTube because
You're used to doing shit like that, huh? Just on a smaller scale.
Of course. Classic dad joke. Fucking teen, huh? Oh! Close this
Dude,
shit.
there's kids watching us on YouTube. Oh, get the hair. Get Nova's hair off of there.
Where? That's your hair, fool.
That shows black. Alright, ready?
Chiculo hair.
Ready?
Go ahead. Are you ready, kids?
Oh, here goes nothing.
Alright guys, we're putting everything back together. Make sure you put Loctite on all these bolts when you put shit back in. We're using this little blue one. And I believe they're torqued to a certain
18 pounds.
18
These
pounds.
are 18 pounds. And what was the other one, Josh? 26?
Yeah, so make sure you use a torque wrench to get these in. We got one. We're about to tighten them up, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. Tighten those bad boys up, and yeah, right now we don't have the timing cover gasket or any of this shit. We still got to buy the gasket kit, but you guys will see that eventually once we start doing the heads. I don't know if I'm gonna do a cam video separate from the heads and stuff, but you guys will see it eventually. So yeah, pretty much throwing all this stuff back together and we'll be good on that. That torque wrench though. That Yonka shirt.
So you gotta put this little nipple right here into the hole. And then
You gotta
you're gonna
line up.
wanna get the chain back up.
Oh, you probably should put it on
Actually, I'm gonna
first.
Put the chain first. I don't like that guy.
That shirt though. Are you guys like sponsored or something?
Yeah, by Michelob's Ultra.
Michelob Ultras. Dude, where's the Michelob's at?
Hey, what I want to know is, aside from the Michelob Ultra, why this wasn't on last week's YouTube video?
Oh,
You had all this,
cause I have a job, bro.
you had all this content right here.
That's
No video for the people.
gonna be next video,
Give the
fool.
people what they want.
My God.
The Rock.
Give the people what they want.
Give the people what they want.
Alright guys, so you gotta torque these bolts to 26 pounds.
These are the cam bolts. Got the cam gear on, the chains over it. Make sure when you put the gear back on, your dot still lines up to the bottom one, which is in there. And yeah, make sure you do these bolts. Oh, also Loctite these too, just so everything's nice and secure. So pretty much that was it, right?
That's it. You just
Simple
gotta put
cam
everything
swap.
fucking back together now.
Yep. So he's got his heads right here. Actually, my Starbucks is right there. I forgot, but the heads are right there. He's gonna take them to a shop. They're gonna resurface them, seal them, and just pretty much give it to us like if they were new again. I think we're gonna give them the springs and everything so they could just do it for us. Might as well, since they're gonna take them all this out. And then yeah, they're gonna sell them a gasket kit so we could get the timing chain, the timing cover gasket, the head gaskets, pretty much all the gaskets we're gonna need to close this bitch back up. But yeah, that was pretty much it for the cam swap part. Pretty simple, pretty quick. And yeah, we'll see where you guys leave off on the next